Hey guys, welcome back to Dan Vlogs. So right now I'm getting ready to go on a mini vacation. I'm going to a water park tomorrow, but today I'm gonna stay at an Airbnb that has a pool, and you guys are gonna see me vlog. So yeah, so I have already put everything in the car. So yeah. So I'm gonna head to Chick-fil-A for lunch. Yeah. So see you guys at Chick-fil-A. But if you need to subscribe, like, and turn post notifications if you haven't, make sure to comment down below what the videos you guys are gonna come out with from Instagram Dan Vlogs. Guys, so it's gonna fight tempos, a new video. So yeah, so I'm gonna head to Chick-fil-A and see you guys there. Okay guys, so this is the room that I'm gonna stay in. So room tour. The mirror. This is the bed. The bathroom. This is the shower, mini closet, and a toilet. So yeah, and they came with this thing. So I'm gonna show you guys a house tour right now. Okay, so it's the morning, guys, and right now, well, I'm gonna eat breakfast right now, but this is the pool, guys. It's really nice. That's the hot tub or something like that, but it didn't work last night, so we didn't use it. So yeah, really nice. Go to the water park right now, and probably see you guys there. I don't know if I can vlog at the rides because I was looking up. I can't vlog, but I will vlog at the lazy river. So yeah, so see you guys probably later, or yeah.
From right to take exit 75.